Welcome back, everyone, on this Friday as we're heading into a wet weekend. Rain has really been the story. We've been talking about this all week and kind of anticipating when this weekend rain was going to begin. And you can see some showers already starting to move into the capital area, some moisture through southwestern Montana, moving into central Montana, and we are going to see more of that as the day goes on. And we've been talking also a lot about Tropical Storm Bud. Was a hurricane, now a tropical storm down in the southwestern off the coast of Mexico. You can see that moisture already starting to move into some of the southwestern states there, and we're getting some rain up here in the northwestern states. So some of our neighbors getting a bit more rain than us. Idaho and Wyoming also getting some rain, but starting to creep into Montana, and it's going to continue as the day goes on. So as far as watches and warnings are concerned, we usually have something in Montana to talk about, but today, not really anything to talk about in terms of that. But other folks are under a red flag warning down to our south, and these areas have been in a significant drought for a while. But here in Montana, we got a lot of snow this winter. We've had a lot of rain this spring. So we are doing pretty good in terms of drought. Up in northeastern Montana, the conditions are dry right now, but compared to the rest of the country, we are in great shape. Down in the Four Corners area, especially this concentrated area here, under an exceptional or extreme drought. And this weekend, they're going to be seeing some moisture, which is good for them. We're going to be getting some as well. You can see it already moving into Montana, but other folks need it kind of more than we do right now. So good news for our neighbors to the south, getting some rain. And you can see Tropical Storm Bud really moving on to landfall, and we're going to be getting that moisture, which is going to be contributing to what we're going to see here this weekend. So let's talk about our weather. Enough about everybody else here. Later on this afternoon is when those showers are really going to pick up. So later this evening, things are going to pick up even more, starting in the late afternoon, evening hours. And overnight, it's just going to continue into tomorrow morning. That's going to be a very showery day. Lots of folks are going to be getting some rain, pretty heavy rain, pretty widespread rain, and all day Saturday, pretty much, you can count on some rain, especially in northern Montana. So keep that in mind if you're planning any outdoor activities. It is going to be quite chilly this weekend as well. So just keep that in mind if you're planning on being outside. And we've talked a lot about Sunday as well for Father's Day. The rain isn't going to be quite as widespread or as heavy, but still a chance of rain here in the capital and in Great Falls, especially kind of in the northern part of the state. So keep that in mind as you're making those plans, especially if you're trying to be outside to barbecue or any activities Dad wants to do on Sunday. It's going to likely be pretty wet, and this wet pattern is really going to continue through next week. So get your rain jacket out, maybe hold on to it, keep it in a handy spot because you're going to be needing it for the next few days, at least the foreseeable future. But we are going to be getting some warmer temperatures into the end of next week. So looking forward to that.
All right, Katie, thanks.